Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I will be doing some more winter DIYs. These were so easy and simple to do. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. For my Snowflake DIY, I will be using a Dollar Tree Decor sign. The one I'm using is from summer, but Dollar Tree right now is carrying Christmas, and I think they're starting to do Valentine's, so you can use one of those instead. I'm going to remove the label. I did have a little trouble, so I'm using my blow dryer. Even after that, there was a lot of glue residue, so what I did is use a scent sheet to just remove everything. The next thing I will be doing is painting the back using some white chalk paint. Once it's nice and dry, I'm going to go over it using my Waverly Antique Wax. The reason I went with white first and then the Antique Wax is because I want the Antique Wax to be light. If I was to go straight into the sign without adding white, it would have been so dark. So this is why, but you can totally skip this step. Plus, I love the color of the Antique Wax on top of white. And this is how it looks once it's dry. I'm going to set this aside and work on the snowflakes. So for the snowflakes, I will be using this Dollar Tree Decor. It has 3 snowflakes. I'm going to remove the tinsel. I am only using 2 for this DIY. I will save the last one for my Saturday's video, which will be at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to turn the notification bell button so you can get notified when I upload. I first had trouble removing the tinsel on my first one, but then the second one was so easy. The easiest way to do it is just cutting it with scissors, but I didn't want to ruin it just in case I used it, but I ended up not using it. So the next thing I will be doing is painting the snowflakes using my chalk paint. Now let's put this together. I am going to use both of the snowflakes and I'm going to remove the little circle that the snowflake has. I thought of removing the whole thing first, but then I thought I should just cut him and make them look like the other ones. I'm going to glue one at the corner and then the other one right on the other corner using hot glue. To finish this off, I will be adding some boxwood greenery. The one I'm using is from Walmart. Right now they're carrying a holiday one, so it has glitter. So be careful with that because I ended up having glitter all over my sign, which at first I didn't like, but then it kind of grew in me because it is kind of winter, so I just left it like that. And I'm also making some bows using this Michael's burlap ribbon, which I got during their Black Friday sale for like $2. It was 70% off. The last thing I will be doing is adding some jute string just so I can be able to hang this sign. And I just added some knots to both ends and it makes it look a lot prettier. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. At first I wasn't digging the little spikes on the snowflakes, but then once I was done with everything, it looks so perfect with the rest of my winter decor I have done. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of their bubble ball glass. And from Walmart, I will be using the Faux Snow. I know Dollar Tree carries some, but I already had this one. And some pine cones. The first thing I will be doing is just pouring some of the snowflake into my bowl. Then I'm going to add this candle. This is from Dollar General, but I know Dollar Tree carries candles this size. And then add some pine cones all around it. I did use different size and some have faux snow on them, and I think it turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. This was so easy and simple to do, and it's perfect for this winter. And I wish I lived up in north because I live in Florida, and winter it looks like summer. But for those of you guys that actually get to experience winter, this is a perfect decor sign. My next DIY is also simple and easy to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using this container with lid, and I picked this up in the wedding section, and I'm using a candle holder. I'm going to paint that container white. As you can see, the candle holder is already white. That is because I am upcycling that, and I'm not using the lid from the bowl. Once it's dry, I am going to use a scent sheet to distress it. That is just so I can match my candle holder that already looks like that. The next thing I will be doing is gluing the pieces together. And for this DIY, I did only use hot glue, but if you're going to add something heavy in here, you can use E6000. To decorate this more, I will be adding some juice string at the bottom and making a little bow. The next thing I will be adding are 2 pine cones, and I'm just going to glue them right underneath the bow on the juice string. To decorate this, I will be using these boxwood holiday picks that I got from Walmart and some other holiday picks that I got from Walmart too. They have these berries. And I thought I was going to be able to just put in the whole pick in there, but the bowl isn't deep enough, so I did have to cut each stem of the boxwood. And that is it for this decor. I absolutely love how it turned out. You can use this all year round. All you have to do is just switch the greenery and remove the pine cones. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You gotta let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, I have a part 2 for this coming up this Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye.